Hello all. Children, I am here with the explanation of question number 5 of chapter 12 Factorization of exercise 12.2 of class 8, and this is according to the revised syllabus. Okay, so question number 5, we have to factorize the given expression. Okay, and in this I am going to tell you how we can split the middle term. Okay, by splitting the middle term we can factorize the following expression. हम middle term को split कर हम इसको factorize करेंगे. Okay, so let's see how to do it. See, this middle term, okay, in such a way that we get, when we add, we get this middle term 6p, and when we multiply we get the third term, that is here it is 8. Okay, let's see how to do p square. So we will take split 6p as 4p plus 2p, because 4p plus 2p is your 6p, and 4p into 2p is your 8p square. Okay, because we need AC. Okay, this expression is in the form ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, now splitting the middle term means we have to split this middle term in such a way that when we add those two terms we will get the middle term, and when we will get like p, like I am taking q plus p. Okay, so when we add q plus p we should get dx, and when we multiply q into p we should get this AC. Okay, got it? Now here I have split the middle term 6p as 4p plus 2p, and 8 can be written as 4 into 2. Okay, see children, when we add 4p plus 2p we get 6p, and when we multiply 4p into 2p we get 8p square, isn't it? 8p square. Got it? Now we got 4 terms. Okay, now we will make 2 pairs, okay, containing 2 terms each. Now here in the first term it is p square, and in the second term it is 4p, so at least one p can be taken as common, and we are left with p plus 4. Okay, similarly in this 2, only 2 is common, so we will take 2 as common and we are left with p plus 4. Okay, now this p plus 4, p plus 4, we will take 1p plus 4 as common, and then here we are left with p plus 2. Okay, so this is the way we have to factorize this expression, by splitting the middle term. Okay, children, in the second part we have to factorize q square minus 10q plus 21. Okay, now again we have to split this middle term, and we will take two factors in such a way that when we add them we should get minus 10q, and when we multiply we should get 21q square. So those two factors can be minus 7p and minus 7q and minus 3q. Why? Because when minus minus is plus, okay, when we are adding two integers, negative integers, but the sign is of minus. Okay, but when we multiply two negative integers we get a positive integers, that is why we get 21q square. Okay, now we have total 4 terms, we can pair them. Okay, so in this first 2 terms we are having q as common. Why? Because it is having q square and it is having 7q, so 1q at least it can be taken as common. Okay, so q minus 7, and here 21 can be written as 7 into 3, so 3 here and 3 here also, and we will take minus 3. Okay, always remember whatever factors we are getting, okay, in the first pair the same factors we should get in the second pair as well. Okay, so if we are getting some different common factors or the factors here, it means we are wrong somewhere, we have done something wrong. So minus 3 I'm going to take as common, so q minus sign will be here and we are left with minus. Why? Because when minus 3 will be multiplied with q, it will be minus 3q, and when minus 3 will be multiplied with minus 7, it will be plus 21. So q minus 7, q minus 7. We will take 1 q minus 7 as common, and then we are left with q minus 2. So this is the way to factorize this expression. Okay. Hello children, back to the video in a second, but before that I want to inform you all that I am taking online classes also. So if you are really liking my videos and you are okay with the explanation, so you can join the Telegram group of mine. The link is given in the description. Thank you. In the third part, we have to factorize p square plus 6p minus 16. So children, see here. Here we have to split 60 in such a way that we will get this, the middle term 6p and minus 16p square. So what can be these two factors? How we can split 6p? Okay. So 6p can be written as 8p minus 2p, isn't it? Because it will give 6p, and similarly when 8p is multiplied with minus 2p, we will get minus 16p square, isn't it? 16p square. Okay. Why negative? Because when multiplication, when one is positive integer and another is negative, we always get a negative integer. Okay. Now in place of 16 we can write 8p minus 2p minus 16. So we are having 4 terms now. We can pair them up. Okay. So here p square, here p. So 1p can be taken as common and we are left with p plus 8. Okay. Now 16 can be written as 2 into 8. So here also we are having 2 and here also 2. And see, both are negative. So we can take minus 2 as well. Minus 2 common, and then we are left with p plus 8. Whatever factor we are getting here, we should get in the second pair also. Okay. So we got p plus 8, p plus 8 common. So we will take p plus 8 as common, and we are left with this p plus 8, p plus 8 is taken as common, we are left with p minus 2. Okay, so this is the way to factorize this expression. Hope children you are fine with the explanation, and if you are, then kindly subscribe to the channel and refer my channel and videos to more and more people, and do ask them to subscribe the channel as well. Thank you.